I've been asked about my workshop model that I use during a lot of my science units, and this image is the most helpful in explaining how it works. The top row there you see of Q1 through Q6, those are the questions that were on the pretest for the unit, and they are all color-coded, and the colors correspond to assignments or activities that you can do in the unit. So if you got question 1 wrong on the pretest, then you're going to want to, at some point through the unit, do the yellow activity because the Q1 box is yellow. And in this case, that is a collection of Little Shop of Physics videos on YouTube that help you, when you do the activity, in this case, watch the videos, they will help you understand the answer to question 1. If you missed question 2 on the pretest, you're going to want to do the NASA Coriolis Effect web quest. And doing that web quest will help you understand the answer to question 2 on the pretest, and so on and so forth. One way to formatively assess this process as you're going through a workshop unit like this is at the end of each activity, I have the students answer one question from memory, and that question essentially highlights the goal of that learning target for that question. So here's an example of what that formative assessment question might look like. For the question number 2, this is a question that you would have to answer at the conclusion of the NASA Coriolis web quest, and it's to see if you really understand how the Coriolis effect works, how the apparent path of an object in flight would look compared to the actual path of an object in flight. So question 2 would be asked to the student after they've completed the activity, and I will check this for accuracy. If they don't have this correct, they have to go back and think about it, and they cannot move on to the next activity in the unit pathway until they've gotten this question correct.